Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start methyl alcohol, wood alcohol, wood naphtha or wood spirit. This is methyl alcohol. Features of methyl alcohol: used as illicit liquor. This is colorless, has burning taste, rapidly absorbed through the stomach, intestine, lungs or skin. This is volatile liquid. Dangerous level of methanol is 80 mg per 100 ml of blood. Then metabolism: ethanol is converted into alcohol dehydrogenase and formaldehyde is converted into formic acid by aldehyde dehydrogenase. And this formaldehyde is more toxic than formic acid. Formaldehyde is 33 times more toxic than methanol, and formic acid is 6 times more toxic than methanol. Then distribution in body according to water content of tissue. So, high concentration in vitreous and optic nerve. High concentration कहाँ दिखेगा? vitreous में and optic nerve में. Then mechanism of action: selective neurotoxicity of methanol is due to histotoxic hypoxia. Histotoxic hypoxia as a result of inhibition of cytochrome oxidase complex of mitochondrial respiratory chain. Then inhibition of oxidative phosphorylation by increasing both intracellular synthesis of ATP and the ratio of NAD and NADH. Increase oxidative stress caused by formic acid. These three are the mechanisms for methanol action. Then elimination: 80% excreted unchanged from lungs and 3 to 5% excreted through the urine. Then clinical feature: formic acid causes the most characteristic sign and symptoms of methanol poisoning. GIT feature: abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, pancreatitis. Vision: blurred vision, photophobia, nystagmus, seeing spots, central or peripheral scotoma, optic neuritis, then optic atrophy and then blindness. Metabolic acidosis, high anion gap type, metabolic acidosis. Then CNS confusion, dizziness, vertigo, meningismus, neck stiffness, drunkenness, delirium and coma. Temperature: hypothermia, severe tachycardia and severe hypotension. Urinary system: acute tubular necrosis, respiratory cyanosis and dyspnea. Muscular system: marked muscular weakness. Then severe non-diabetic anion metabolic acidosis in unconscious person is suggestive of methyl alcohol poisoning. This is important feature. An increased osmolar gap accompanied by the visual symptom suggestive of methanol poisoning. Then fatal dose: 60 to 200 ml is the fatal dose. 10 to 20 ml of methanol causes blindness. Blood level of methanol is 200 mg% is fatal. And hemodialysis must begin when the blood level is more than 20 mg%. Fatal period: 24 to 36 hours. Cause of death: metabolic acidosis, most common cause, then respiratory failure, then CNS depression. Then differential diagnosis of anion metabolic acidosis: methanol poisoning, ethylene glycol poisoning, diabetic ketoacidosis, uremia and salicylate poisoning. Then Hooch tragedy is due to illicit liquor से Hooch tragedy. Then treatment ABCD: gastric lavage with 5% bicarbonate solution. A specific antidote is ethanol, acts by competitive inhibition. Then mode of administration of ethanol: first IV route. तो IV route 10% ethanol in a dose of 10 ml per kg body weight. Serum concentration is to be maintained 100 mg%, 100 to 150 mg%, 100 to 150 mg%. Then complication of IV route administration of ethanol: hypotension, respiratory depression, hypoglycemia, hyponatremia, gastritis और inebriation. So treatment in oral: when ICU is not available तो oral देंगे. oral में कितना 60 ml 95% ethanol, 60 ml 95% ethanol in a fruit juice, 200 ml of fruit juice over 30 minutes. Then maintenance dose 15 ml 50% ethanol, 15 ml 50% ethanol in a fruit juice every hourly. Fomepizole inhibit alcohol dehydrogenase. Then folinic acid helps in degradation of formic acid. Folinic acid. Then IV sodium bicarbonate to correct metabolic acidosis. Then hemodialysis for severe cases, it reduces half-life of the methanol from 40 hours to 1 hour. Then symptomatic treatment. Then advantage of fomepizole over ethanol. Concentration does not need to be monitored, does not cause intoxication, less side effect, and does not require ICU monitoring. So this is the advantage of fomepizole over ethanol. Then medical terminology, less than 10 mg% sober, 10 to 80 mg% drinking, 80 to 150 mg% under the influence, 150 to 300 mg% drunk or intoxicated, then 300 to 400 mg% stupor, and more than 400 mg% coma and death. Then permanent sequel, so blindness is the most common. Then toxic encephalopathy. Then extrapyramidal movement disorder, Parkinson-like syndrome due to putamen damage, then neuropathy. Then chemical analysis, methanol and formic acid can be demonstrated in blood, urine, and all other organs. Formaldehyde cannot be demonstrated because it rapidly oxidizes to formic acid or whatever remains combined with the proteins as soon as it is formed. So formaldehyde detection is difficult. Then false positive test with anticoagulant like heparin, EDTA, and formalin. Then postmortem finding, conjunctiva congested, cyanosis marked, skin purple color due to pyridine, postmortem clotting of blood absent, on opening the body alcoholic odor, stomach wall mucosa congested, small and large intestine are contracted resembling like a thick pipe of very narrow lumen. Liver has fatty changes, kidney acute tubular degeneration, and all other internal organs are congested. Then medical importance, first is the manner of death. So accidental most common, then homicidal and suicidal rare. Then second medical importance is illicit liquor, which is also called Hooch or moonshine or white lightning. It is made without license with poor infrastructure. It is mostly methyl alcohol. Embalming fluid. Then fourth, consumption of solox. So it is the paint solvent mainly composed of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. It is a cheap alternative of alcohol. Then ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol used as antifreeze solution. It has bitter sweet taste. Fatal dose 100 ml. Fatal period 3 days. Then mechanism of action, inhibit oxidative phosphorylation. Then metabolism, after liver metabolism, oxalic acid combined with calcium, then it forms calcium oxalate crystal and excreted by the kidney as oxaluria. Then PCT necrosis and the renal failure. Then diagnosis, high anion gap acidosis, oxaluria and fluorescent urine. Then treatment, ABCD, decontamination, ethanol, fomepizole, IV sodium bicarbonate and hemodialysis. Then important question of ethanol poisoning, what percentage of ethanol is present in absolute alcohol? 99.95%. Methylated alcohol is formed by mixing 95% alcohol and 5% methyl alcohol, wood naphtha. Then the relative concentration of alcohol is highest in urine. Then maximum absorption of alcohol takes place in small intestine. Alcohol concentration in heavy beer 4 to 8%. Maximum alcohol concentration is in vodka. Alcohol gauge nystagmus appears if the blood alcohol concentration is 40 to 100 mg%. A standard accepted ratio of urine alcohol to blood alcohol level is 1.3:1. McEwan sign is important feature of deep coma due to alcohol poisoning. McEwan sign in alcohol intoxication appears if the blood alcohol concentration is more than 300 mg%. Then important question of methyl alcohol intoxication. In India, स्टैट्यूटरी लिमिट फॉर ब्लड अल्कोहल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन फॉर चार्ज ऑफ ड्रंक एंड ड्राइविंग, चार्ज ऑफ ड्रंक एंड ड्राइविंग is 30 mg/%, 50 mg/%, 60 mg/%, 70 mg/%. Blood alcohol concentration in drinking is 10 to 20, 10 to 80, 50 to 70, 100 to 150. Term drunk denotes blood alcohol concentration 100 to 120, 150 to 300, 300 to 350, more than 350. Postmortem alcohol determination is legally accepted if the blood is collected within 12 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours. Then optic neuritis in case of methanol poisoning is due to the production of formic acid, formaldehyde, picric acid, lactic acid. Severe non-diabetic anion metabolic acidosis in unconscious person is suggestive of methanol poisoning, barbiturate poisoning, ethanol poisoning and और opioid poisoning. इस 6 क्वेश्चन का आंसर कमेंट में करना है. This is all about methyl alcohol poisoning. Okay, thank you for watching.